Right, here's the front entrance. Right here was where the garage was. Hey guys, Kapper here, welcome back. Today we are going to go over the current status of the 8-acre investment property because I think it's sold. And we're also going to take a look at how it's coming along with the grass and is there a pond leak. And if you haven't seen the whole series, it's really an intriguing series. Basically, we cleaned up a junkyard. I will list that whole playlist in the description down below. If you haven't, I hope you check it out and join us. So let's go see what's going on at the 8 acres. The current status as of right now, May 27th, 2021. Thanks. This was the front mobile home right there. This really nice green lawn spot was where the backhoe sat. I had to bring in some dirt and level all that out. Because there was a great big hole there. Man, it would look, if somebody put a load or two of gravel on this road, it would look really nice. Getting close to being ready to mow. Wow, it's healing. The ground is healing. I can feel it. This is going to be returned to a field again, probably. What it was when we started, it was just littered with all kinds of stuff. And the side yard is one of the nicest grass areas over here. This is where the double wide was. And the tree jail truck was over here. Okay, here's the before look. We're gonna start back here behind this dump truck, or I'm sorry, tow truck, and I'll show you why. We're gonna and the Argosy was right here. Yeah, look at all that nice looking grass now. Let's go check on the pond here quick. We've been getting a lot of rain lately. See if that has come up some or not. Deer turds, deer tracks, fresh, several sets. Right here in the yard. Pond is looking good. Probably has come up because it's stained in color. That usually means it took in a lot of water. I thought maybe I saw a couple fish, but I'm not sure. All right, let's go do a depth check down here. Well, it's still about a foot up. So it came up a foot pretty fast and hasn't come up much since then. It kind of tells me that either something is leaking, or there was another cut in here that I did not see, that it has hit somewhere in these woods back here. I mean, last time we checked, none of my dams were leaking. We'll check this one again here quick, but it wasn't leaking last time, so there might be another cut somewhere here, and it could even be underground. It could be leaking at the level where it's at. I mean, there's nothing running back here at all. That's just water sitting. You could see, well, you guys might not, but it ends right past some two sticks there, so there's absolutely no movement at all. So this one ain't leaking either. I definitely ain't going to look for it if there's another cut somewhere. So this may be the full level. Maybe either that, or we just didn't get that much rain down here maybe, but it's pretty close to our house, so we'll see. Yeah, and the main dam, that's not leaking either. And there again, that's just a puddle. You could see the back end of the puddle over there. There's nothing really moving at all. So this one's not leaking either. So there might be a hidden cut, or it could be underwater. A lot of times what happens down here in rock country is that like a sinkhole. It's the same as a sinkhole, but it would just be somewhere on the surface, so it cuts into the dirt where you might not know it, and it leaks out somewhere else, 20 feet away or something like that. But I'll keep checking on it, because I definitely want to know if it's going to come up to my pipes or not. Okay, so if you stuck around this long, I know you're interested in seeing the outcome of this thing, as am I. So this place is sold. Well, not technically yet, but it is under contract. He had it listed for $49,000, and I can't disclose the actual contract price yet, but I will be doing that soon once it goes through and it's final and he has officially sold it. I'm going to go through all the numbers, what he bought it for, what he sold it for, what we made on it, what he made on all of the junk he sold, what it cost him for all of his out-of-pocket expenses, and did he make anything, or did he lose money, did we make anything, or did we lose money, and so forth. So definitely stay tuned for that. Hopefully coming soon, because usually when you sign a contract, the closing is usually within about 45 days after that. So definitely stay tuned. I hope to see you again. Thanks a lot. We appreciate you joining us. Inside of that big tree and all back in here, and then this is going to be the first clearing so we could pull stuff out of here. So we're ready to roll.